I'm going to show you how to download LibreOffice for your Mac computer. So it's very simple. You're going to first go to the LibreOffice download page, following the link posted on the Canvas page. You will then choose your operating system, which is Mac OS 64-bit. Then you click on download. You should be redirected to the download page, and the downloading of the software should start automatically. Once the downloading is done, you can click on the download and a pop-up page should open. And then you can move the LibreOffice software to your application folder. It's gonna again take a few seconds to download. Once the LibreOffice software has been moved to your application folder, you should be able to open it. You just click on it and accept that it's gonna open a program downloaded from internet, and then it should be open, and you should be able to see on your left the choices of documents you want to create. And that's it. That's very simple.